Okay, I just got lucky. Look at that. The storm was missing us, but it split, and we got the stronger part of it. And now, look at that. Look at the shelf clouds coming in. Look at it stretching. So now they're saying this storm is producing penny-sized hail and extreme lightning with the winds 70 miles an hour probably, or 60, either one. Oh yeah, it's roaring at me. The thunder. It's definitely coming. It's definitely here. Definitely a thunderstorm coming. Look how fast the shelf cloud is moving. It's stretching all the way down there. Down there's just getting the weak part. We're getting the strong part. Definitely might get rain and hail from this storm. Definitely. So I gotta stay inside. Okay, yeah, this lightning is intense. Like, really intense. Wow. I'm going to keep recording because you never know when a bigger one is going to touch down and it's just going to explode with thunder. That's what I'm waiting for. The thunder is everywhere. I can hear it in the left and right, everywhere. Wow. I've had a storm like this in a little bit. This storm is kind of crazy. Whoa, flash. There's a flash. Alright, I gotta look out for a hail, because I don't know if there's hail. So I'm gonna keep looking on the ground. Because they're saying it's penny-sized hail on this one. I don't know. I don't know if they're lying or not. I don't know. Unless it got weaker, then yeah, but I'm still gonna look down just in case. Holy shoot! Jesus Christ! Holy shoot, bro! Jesus Christ! That was so close. That was so close. Oh my God, that was so close, bro. Holy crap. That was loud. Jesus. Holy crap, bro. Holy crap. Jesus. I haven't heard thunder that loud since, what, 3 weeks ago when I recorded that one. Jesus. That was loud. I got that on video. See, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh my God, that scared the heck out of me, bro. I was like right over there. Like that was like not too far from where I'm at. Like it seemed like it was in a street or something. Jesus Christ. Oh crap. I think that was a strike. I wasn't paying attention. Was that a strike? I know that one was, but Holy crap, bro. That was super close. Oh. Whoa. I was over there. Jesus. Well, I already know this is going on YouTube. 100%. Definitely going on YouTube. Holy shoot. That was like above me. Oh, that was a big one. Why did the rain just stop? This is definitely going on YouTube. Wow. That was loud. That other one was loud though. I haven't had a storm like this in so long. Jesus, the rain just, it was raining hard and it just stopped and thunder just came. I'm trying to see if I can get a good strike on camera. Holy, that was loud, bro. That had to scare a few people, including my family in the house. Oh, did I get that on video? I hope I got that on video. Wow. That truck scared me for a minute. Jesus, bro. That thunder was so loud. Whoa, that was over there. Like all the way over there. This is a mean thunderstorm right here. Very mean storm right here. Wow. I haven't had a storm this. Whoa! You see that, guys? I hope I got that on video. Yo, I hope I got that on video. Oh, the truck was so loud I couldn't even hear. Dang. But I hope I got that on video. That was a big strike right over there. Where those developments are. Well, not development, where the houses are. It's a nice straight line one. Wow, this storm was juicy. It's a nice thunderstorm right here. Woo! That was over there. I was right over there. Now it's peace and quiet now. Let's go. That was right. It's a strike over there. Thunder is definitely coming. I don't know when. I'm waiting. Still waiting. There it comes. Here it comes. I don't recommend for anybody to be outside during this one. Okay, it's calming down. It's definitely coming down. It was getting extreme, but now it's calming down. I feel like another one's gonna happen right over there. So I'm gonna look right over there again. Cause this is where the big ones are at. Or two of the big ones were over there. Wow, that was a big storm. I got all of it on video too. We'll go check the back room real quick. Sorry if my room's a mess. Whoa, that thunder. Sorry I got one sock on, the other's not on. Oh, that's why it's coming to an end, because it's over. That's why it's getting weaker. It's over technically. So over here, this is where the lightning's mostly gonna be at. I'm gonna clip it here, and yeah, cause it's not doing anything crazy no more now. But wow, was that a great clip right there? Oh wait, never mind, it's still doing stuff. That looked like it just struck a house. No joke. Yeah, this lightning is kind of, whoa. That was a big strike. I'm gonna sit here. Okay, I might not leave. I might not leave yet, because there is still some strikes. I'll stay here for a little bit more, because now it's quiet. Now you can really hear how loud it is. Whoa! Whoa! Those are two strikes. They were close. Whoa, there was two strikes. The lightning is still crazy. Wow. This storm was all that. I like this storm. Wow. It's just thunder everywhere. Just thunder everywhere. I'm trying to scroll around so I can see if I can catch some good strikes on video. I keep missing them on camera, but I keep getting the thunder. Okay, the quarter-size hail was a, ooh. I couldn't catch that on camera. I saw it with my own eyes, but there was no way I was catching that. That was, oh, I could have caught that one, but there was one all the way over there. There was one all the way over there. I wasn't going to catch that. That lightning, bro. This was a pretty good storm. I give this storm a 9 out of 10 because, well, it was kind of short-lived. Kind of. Wasn't really, but, well, that was over there. But yeah, it was kind of, I mean, 14 minutes long. It wasn't as long because I recorded the storm for 43 minutes. That's why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Like if it wasn't for that, oh shit. If it wasn't for that really loud thunder, then I would have gave it probably an 8 out of 10. But that loud thunder was, yeah, definitely 9 out of 10. Just, it would be cooler if it was longer. It would be more cool. I mean, more strikes. Now I was leaving. So, yeah. I'll actually catch you guys later, or in the next video. Because I might clip it, because these are all the storms for today. So, yeah. See you on the next video.